I'm gonna attempt to laminate my brows at home on my own with no experience whatsoever. Welcome back to my little world. Today is a bit of a different video. I decided that I needed to cut some costs somewhere, but I still want to feel glam and look my best. Now, I do sometimes, and when I say sometimes, I mean like maybe every 3 to 6 months, depending on if I can be bothered or not. Sometimes I will tint my own eyebrows at home. I have never waxed my own eyebrows. That sounds very scary. Obviously the basics, like doing a little bit of plucking, but I do draw my eyebrows on every day. But taking it to lamination, whole nother story. But today we're gonna try because I wanted to cut some cost and I still wanted to sort out my freaking brows. I guess I just want you to kind of join the chaos of me lifting my brows for the first time ever. I do want to also do my lash lift. I might film that maybe tomorrow, but I am not feeling that today. I'm gonna do my brows first, and then maybe tomorrow, if we're feeling a little bit confident, I will do my lashes as well. I literally just bought this kit from Amazon. It was, I don't know, $25 or something like that. I don't think I wanted to pay any more than $30. So I have got this kit, I think, from memory, I mean, I'm sure it says somewhere on the box, I think it might last 3 to 6 times, like you're able to do it 3 to 6 times. Anywho, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out if it's worth it in the first place anyway. First things first, let's unbox it together and see what's inside. Okay, I wanted to open the box like cutesy, but it's not happening. Okay, so we have some stuff on the inside. I assume these are like wipes or something. And this is what it looks like when you first open it. Okay, so we do have some wipes. I hope there's instructions in here. I swear it said there was. Ah, this is to go, yep, got him. Okay, so it says on the back, you've got some applicator tools, mascara brushes, gloss brushes, silicone pads, and adhesive strips. It doesn't say what to do. Hello, this was supposed to come with instructions. Maybe I'll open this, see if there's some instructions in here. Why it doesn't have instructions, I'm a little bit sus about. All right, so the card that it came with isn't instructions. However, it does say, for an easy to follow step-by-step application, guys, scan the QR code above. Oh, okay, very smart. Brow lamination. Do a test patch. Not gonna do that, I can't be bothered. Step 1, start with clean brows, free of makeup and skincare residue. Apply a thin layer of Stick It on your eyebrows and use a mascara wand to straighten the hairs into their desired shape. Leave the glue on for 15 seconds before proceeding to step number 2. Use one of the lip gloss wands to apply Shape It on your brows. Be careful not to move the hairs. Cover your brows with the cling film and leave it on for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, step 1 is to start with clean brows. So it is time to remove the eyebrow pencil that I've been wearing all day. This is, oh God, come on. This stuff is so sticky. Like, they weren't lying when they said apply Stick It to your eyebrows. Jesus. I should have done one eyebrow at a time. I need to Google how to take this off because this is not going well. Okay, so I kind of washed it off. I don't think it all fully came off, but let me just do one brow at a time. So I'm just gonna do this very, very lightly, very lightly. I think there's still some on my brow, but let's just do a little thin, get the brush straight away and brush that into place. This stuff smells rank. Oh my God, the lid's not even off yet and it stinks. time to do the other side. I'm so nervous about this. Like, what the heck made me do this? I'm literally just thinking, why didn't I just go to someone? Otherwise, I'm gonna be so pissed at myself. I was like, how the heck do you get to page 2? Like, surely there's another page. I cannot scroll. You have to swipe. I literally just did it. There you go, swipe. Step 3, remove the cling film and wipe off any remaining solution in an upwards and side motion. Use another lip gloss wand to apply Fix It to your brows. Cover with cling film again for 10 to 12 minutes. Step 4, remove the cling film and use the brush again with the applicator tool to gently remove any residue. Use a cotton pad to clean it and remove the leftover residue. Step 5, using one of the mascara wands, apply Boost It to your eyebrows. Leave the solution on for a few minutes. If you want to apply makeup straight away, take the cotton pad to remove any excess, Boost It. All done. Okay, remove the cling film, so just on one side. Amazing. And it says wipe remaining solution in an upwards to side motion. Does that mean I use this same thing? Or am I actually supposed to be like wiping it with a wipe? Okay. Another lip gloss wand. Alright, I'm going to remove this again. Amazing. Brush at the end of the applicator tool to gently remove any residue. Then we apply Boost It. All right, now that we've put all of that stuff on my brows and they're pretty much done, what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna get in there and I'm just gonna pluck out any other little brows and then I'll show you the final result. Okay, I decided what I'm gonna do is I am going to come right back tomorrow. You'll see it in like literally 2 seconds. But I'm gonna come back tomorrow and I'm gonna tint my brows and then I'm gonna show you the final result. I'm back. It's been 2 days and I literally just put on the tint and wiped it off. So these are my finished brows. I think they turned out pretty decent. I will say though, I'll probably still go to a professional to get them laminated or waxed or whatever because I just feel like the lamination didn't really work, to be honest. Like I think I'll have to leave it on for a bit longer. And now that I've done it once, not be so scared to do it again, but I'm also like, I don't know, a bit underwhelmed to be honest, but I did tint them and I'm feeling better and I'm just about to do my makeup and go out. So I will see you guys very soon. If you do want to see me do my no makeup, can't be bothered to do makeup, then I'm sure that'll be on my channel very soon. Bye. Whoopsie.